to make tofu balado. To make tofu balado, first prepare all the following ingredients. For tofu, 1 pack powdered balado, tablespoon broth chicken, 1 ml water, tools, knife, talenan, plate, glass and spoon, wok and pan. Steps. First, wash the tofu. Second, drain the tofu and wait for it to cool. After cleaning, cut it into squares. Then mix the garlic and roiko powder. Third, put the piece of tofu into the refrigerator and wait for an hour for the seasoning to sink in. Next, after 1 hour ago, fry the tofu with hot cooking oil until browned. After that, remove and drain it, then wait for it to cool and mix balado powder evenly. Let's see, tofu balado is ready to be served.